How to fix unable to synchronize your user profile information error in 2K23. So if you want to fix unable to synchronize your user profile information error, then first you need to open up your browser, go with search, and search for NBA 2K server status. And you can simply go with the status. And if you're facing any problem under the status, like if you have any problems under the status itself, then you don't need to do anything. You just need to simply wait for a few minutes or a few hours and your problem might be fixed. If everything is normal right here, just go back and you need to go with your Windows and restart the device. And after restarting, your problem might be fixed. If restarting doesn't fix your problem, then the third step is to unplug your router or you need to unplug your modem. Once you unplug, you need to again plug it back and your problem might be fixed. So this is how you can fix unable to synchronize your user profile information, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.